In this video, I'll be showing you how to create videos like this. You can see that this channel is monetized and this channel makes videos like this. Let me play one of the videos.
That night, I understood that a wedding could actually destroy two families. My name is Rita Jackson, and I'm 50.
Can you see? They post videos of betrayal, love, romance, heartbreak. And not only this channel has another channel that posts similar video. Let me open it. You can see this other channel is also posting similar video and is monetized, and likely they are the same owner. So let's check another one. You can see another one here. Let's click on it. So probably the owner has 3 different channels that post similar videos on revenge, love, hurt, betrayal. I'm going to be showing you how to make channels like this, and you can see that these channels are all monetized, and she's probably making some good amount of money from these channels. So let's go into the tutorial quickly. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Alright, so once you're on ChatGPT, all you need to do is log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, then sign up and you use this my prompt. I've provided the prompt for you. All you need to do is copy and paste. So the first prompt is to generate title. You copy it, you come back to ChatGPT and you paste it. So here you're going to insert your story concept. I'm going to use the example provided here. Then you click enter. So we have 10 different titles that we can use for our video. The next step is come back to the prompt and copy the script generation prompt. When you copy your script generation prompt, you come back to ChatGPT under the same chat, you paste it, you scroll down and you choose one of the titles. So I'm going to choose this number 9. I'll copy it, you paste it inside here. You click enter. So it's going to generate the script for us. So we have our script ready. So the next thing we're going to do is to copy the image generation prompt to generate an image for the script. I will copy this and I will come over here and I will paste it. You click enter. So ChatGPT is generating the image. If you want, you can tell it to write a prompt for the generation. So I'm going to paste the prompt and I'll ask it to write me 3 different prompts to generate a photorealistic cinematic image for the script above. So instead of asking ChatGPT to generate the image, so if you press the first prompt, it will generate the image, but I want it to give me 3 different prompts so I can try out other image generation tools. So I asked it to give me 3 different prompts and I will click enter. So while the prompt is coming up, look at the image ChatGPT generated. You can download it. So we have 3 different prompts here. So let's check it out. So we're going to go over to Google Image FX to check out these 3 different prompts. So I will come over here and take one of the prompts. Let me take this one. Copy it. Come over to Google Image FX. You can use any text to image tool, okay? And paste the prompt. And I will select the aspect ratio landscape. Then I'll click on generate. So we have 4 different images here. Let's try another prompt, that of victim. Let's try it. You copy it, you come back, you paste it, and you generate. So any of the images you like, you take it, but I think I prefer that of ChatGPT for now. You can try other text to image models. Okay, so I've downloaded this. I will head over to my prompt. The next thing I'm going to copy the prompt for the thumbnail. I will copy it. I will come over to ChatGPT under the same chat and I will paste it. Now if you want it to generate prompt for the thumbnail, instead of generating the thumbnail itself, you just write me a prompt to create a YouTube thumbnail for this script. So I added for the script above and I'll click enter. So this is the prompt and I will copy it and I'll go over to image effects. I'll paste it and I'll click generate. So here we have different thumbnails. You can download any one you want. I'll go with this one. Lastly, you need to get your SEO. So I'll copy this. I'll copy it and I'll come back to the chat and I'll click enter. So we have the description, the keyword, the tags and the hashtag. So at this point you need to turn your script into a speech. I'll copy my script. I'll open my notepad. Remember, this works with your phone and your computer. So I'm going to remove every unnecessary label like the aftermath, all these dots here. So you do that quickly. You go through your script and remove the asterisks and the labels like the title, label, the dots, backstory. So that is what you need to do. You edit it. You can as well read through your script and make adjustments, fine-tune it with your own sentence and language. So after you are done, you copy your entire script and you head over to a text-to-speech AI tool. If the text-to-speech AI tool cannot turn all the scripts into audio at once, then you need to break it down. You break it down depending on the maximum number of text your text-to-speech tool carries. So I will copy my script, Ctrl C, or you right click and click on copy. So I just copied part of the script so that this tutorial will not be too long, and I'll be using Minimax Audio for my text-to-speech. So I head over to Minimax. Anyone you want to use, depending on the one you are making use of, you go over to it. So I'll come over to text-to-speech and I'm going to paste my script here. Then I'll come over to voices. I'll change my voice. I'll go to the library and I can select a lady's voice. Let me use this one. Then I will click on generate. So my text is being converted into speech. You wait for it to finish. So our voice has finished narrating. You download it. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to open your CapCut and bring in your voiceover and bring in the image you generated for this video. So I will click on import. Remember, this works with your phone and with your computer. So I will bring in the image and the voiceover. So this is my image. I'll drag it into this workspace. Then this is my audio. I'll bring it in as well. So this is the audio. You can work on the audio by removing all the empty spaces here by simply cutting it off. If you want, you split it and you delete. So that is what you can do. Then the next thing, you stretch the image to the end of the audio. No matter how long the audio is, you stretch it to the end. Then the next thing you are going to do, you can add an effect animation to this image here, a kind of pendulum shaky effect. You can add some noise around it, just make it have some effects, animations. So I'll come over to effect here. I'll click on it. I'll select this one. This is noise effect. I'll stretch it. You can see that the image has a kind of noise around it. So you stretch it to the end. Then you can check for other effects that are available for you. You can see this one is rebounce. I will download it and I will use it. You can see it makes it to shake a little. So you can reduce the speed, you can reduce the size as well. Okay, so you drag it to the end of the video. Now once you are done, you can come over to text and generate your caption. So I will click on auto caption, I will click on generate. So my caption has generated. I can apply a template, choose any template of your choice from your end. Let me play. Alright, so this is beautiful. Once you are done editing your video the way you want, then you rename it if you are using a computer. If you're not using a computer, you can just export. After exporting it, you can rename it in your phone. Then after renaming, you click on export. So once you click on export, you select your resolution. It should not be less than 720p, it can be more than 720p. Then you export. So after exporting, you come over to your YouTube, you upload it. Already you have your thumbnail ready, and you have your description, your hashtag, and your keywords. You use it to upload your video on your channel and monitor the progress of the video. So this is how to create revenge story, family drama, any kind of story that surrounds love, romance, heartbreak. You use this method to create it. All you need to do is to get the right title or give it the concept of your story, and it will generate the script and every other detail for you. If you want the prompt I used in this tutorial, let me know, or you can check the link in the description and you will have access to the prompt. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't wait to be perfect, start immediately and grow in the process. Like, share, subscribe to our channel.